Salam everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're making pineapple cake. I've mentioned all the ingredients in the description box below as usual. We'll start off by separating the egg whites and egg yolks. Beat them, and when the egg whites get foamy, add egg yolks and sugar in it. Once we're done by adding in sugar, we'll add in our sieved dry ingredients that are all-purpose flour, corn flour and baking powder. I personally like beating after the addition of dry ingredients. You can also fold it, do whatever is suitable to you. Add in a teaspoon of vanilla essence, then oil the baking pan and preheat oven at 180 or 200 degrees. Now it's time for icing. I use whipped cream. You can use any cream that you like. I personally don't like dairy cream, so I don't use them. You can play with the decorations as much as you want. We'll split the sponge into two halves, then we'll pour some pineapple juice or any sugar syrup that you like. This way the sponge would be heaven soft. Further on, we'll spread a rough layer of whipped or dairy cream and rest our pineapple slices over. Next, we'll put on our topmost layer and do the same with it. As I said, you can play and enjoy the decorations as much as you want. That's it for today. I'll see you in my next video with a new recipe. Till then, take care, stay safe.